So Morris is here really to give all you the celebrity treatment, sharing his plan to sculpt your best body. But I gotta say, this is not for Hollywood hunks like you. It's for everybody.
It's for our program. The Cut is for everyone: men, women, young, old. Everyone can implement this program.
All right, and for the ladies, you all know that the famous abs that Morris has. That's pretty cool. But let me show you something. Even I am in love with you for that. However, not too long ago, you actually fell off the wagon a bit. You gained 30 pounds. So if any of you who think that everyone's always perfect, it's not always that well. There's before and there's afters.
Yeah.
All right, so tell us about the before.
Well, basically, I was filming a television show called Nurse Jackie here in New York, and it was really cold. And I literally would not walk out of my apartment to the gym next door, because I'm from California. And I was eating, and being in your 40s, it just creeps up on you, don't even realize it. The director called me to be in that movie, The Best Man. Told me he wanted me to get the V that the guys have down there and the six-pack back. And so I hooked up with my trainer, Obi Obadike, and we implemented everything that's in the Cut right now.
So I'm going to show everyone some photos.
Yes, yes.
I just picked a couple. You have so many before and afters. These are people who actually tried the Cut program. They're amazing.
Yes, see, these are real people, real stories, real life transformations. She lost about, I think, 28 pounds on the Cut. Yeah. We also have a picture, that's Rose. Rose also lost close to 30 pounds on the Cut. We have another.
This guy, he's fantastic.
Yeah, he did a great job. We also have Mike Hopper, who's been through our program 3 separate times. He's lost 117 pounds. No, that's Tyrone, though. That's Tyrone. Tyrone lost 21 pounds, but Mike Hopper, he lost 117 pounds on the Cut.
So what makes the Cut different? I mean, these folks don't just lose weight. They have that V you're talking about.
Yeah, they do. They have the V. Well, what makes the Cut different is, it's not a restrictive diet. It's a diet that's tailored towards your body weight. It's not restrictive. We're not saying we don't want you to starve at night like everyone just goes to sleep starving. We want you to eat your carbs, your fats, healthy fats, and you also are allowed some cheat meals, however you want to say it.
Oh, I like that.
Yes, yes.
So the foundation is the 80-20 rule.
The foundation is the 80-20. So what we have is 5 days a week, we want you to eat healthy. We allow 2 cheat meals on Saturdays, 2 cheat meals on Sunday. But the key is that it has to be the size of the palm of your hand. And not only are you eating healthy, but you're indulging in the things that most other programs don't allow you to eat.
And how does the Cut help you build that muscle? The part that I'm interested in particular.
Well, we talk about lean muscle. So most programs, what they do is they focus just on the food. But with our programs, we focus on the food and the exercise and the weightlifting.
Come on, let's get started with this plan. So I want you to first explain what specifically they're going to eat.
This is something that I was eating when I was on mine. So you have your whey protein, other lean proteins through food, your carbs, your healthy fats, your fish oil supplements, and your multivitamin. That's what I was eating.
So this is something we can all do, guys. This is understandable, especially if you get to look like Morris. I'm in on this. So walk us through a sample meal here for the day.
Yes, this is a sample meal throughout the day. So what I would have is before I work out, I would drink my protein shake. Mm-hmm. Then for breakfast after my workout, I would have my oatmeal, my banana, my eggs, and my 2 fish oil caplets.
All right.
And then now, lunchtime, I would have chicken breast, the beans, and the spinach and kale.
So lean protein, a little bit of healthy fat.
Yeah, lean protein, healthy fat.
You're a nut guy.
I'm a nut guy. Now,
I like this. I
love it. I love it. But let me say this, though, because a lot of times people say, oh, I get to eat almonds or nuts, and then they go get the salted nuts that's saturated with fats. This is unsalted almonds. That's what we like, unsalted.
Can I change your life, my friend?
Sure.
Soak your nuts.
Soak my nuts.
And for dinner.
And for dinner, you have your steak, your little carne asada going on, then with some steamed broccoli. And this is a very healthy, balanced meal throughout the day.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.